Welcome to Colorado. For new residents, especially those with a conservative viewpoint, understanding the state's gun laws is absolutely essential. Colorado's gun laws present a unique blend of permissive and restrictive measures, making it crucial for every responsible firearm owner to stay well informed. Today, we'll delve into key aspects including your duty to inform, concealed and open carry regulations, the legality of suppressors, and restrictions on magazine capacity. First, let's clarify the duty to inform. Colorado generally does not have a specific law requiring you to proactively inform a law enforcement officer that you are carrying a concealed handgun during a routine interaction. However, if an officer directly asks you about carrying, you must answer truthfully. If you possess a concealed handgun permit, or CHP, and are asked to present it, you are legally obligated to provide both your CHP and a valid photo ID. Maintaining a courteous and transparent demeanor with law enforcement is always advisable to prevent any misunderstandings. Moving on to conceal and carry, Colorado operates as a shall-issue state for concealed carry permits. This means that if you meet the established legal requirements, the county sheriff is mandated to issue you a permit. To obtain a CHP, you must be a legal resident of Colorado, at least 21 years old, and not prohibited from possessing a firearm under state or federal law. You also cannot have been convicted of perjury related to a CHP application, be an unlawful user of controlled substances, or be subject to a protection order. Crucially, you must demonstrate competence with a handgun, which, effective July 1st, 2025, will include standardized 8 hours of in-person training and live-fire training. Colorado does not issue non-resident permits, with exceptions only for military members stationed in the state and their immediate families. The state does have reciprocity agreements with some other states, allowing residents with permits from those states to carry concealed here. Open carry is generally legal in Colorado without a permit for individuals 18 and older who can legally possess a firearm, except in Denver and other posted areas. Local governments retain the right to regulate open carry by posting signs at public entrances. No permit is required to carry a handgun concealed in a vehicle. However, new legislation effective January 1st, 2025, mandates that handguns in vehicles must be secured in a locked case and kept out of sight. Next, let's discuss suppressors, often called silencers. These are legal to own and use in Colorado, provided you fully comply with federal law. Colorado law classifies suppressors as dangerous weapons, so possession is generally prohibited without a valid permit and license. To legally possess a suppressor, you must comply with the National Firearms Act, which requires a thorough vetting process, including an ATF background check, and pay a tax stamp. Suppressors can be utilized for recreational shooting, hunting for both game and non-game animals, home defense, and competitive shooting. Finally, let's address magazine capacity. Colorado law currently limits magazine capacity to 15 rounds. It is illegal to sell, transfer, or possess magazines that hold more than 15 rounds, which are defined as large capacity magazines or LCMs. There are specific exceptions, such as if you own the LCM before July 1st, 2013, and have maintained continuous possession. Other exceptions include transporting the magazine out of state for a manufacturer, being a government or armed forces employee, or a licensed gun dealer transferring LCMs to specific entities. Violations of the magazine capacity law are classified as a Class 2 misdemeanor, punishable by up to 120 days in jail or up to $750 in fines. Possessing a large capacity magazine during the commission of a felony escalates to a Class 6 felony. It's important to note that Colorado does not require gun registration, and the state allows individuals to carry a firearm in a vehicle for lawful protection. Local jurisdictions cannot restrict a person's ability to travel with a weapon. However, Colorado has recently enacted red flag laws. These laws allow for the temporary confiscation of firearms from individuals displaying dangerous behavior, a measure that has sparked considerable debate. Furthermore, Senate Bill 3, passed in 2025, strengthens restrictions on semi-automatic firearms and magazines, and new laws require a background check on nearly all firearm transfers, with a mandatory 3-day waiting period for gun purchases. Stay informed about Colorado's ever-evolving gun laws. For more insights and updates from a conservative perspective, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for The Right Slant.